Hey everyone! If you're on the hunt for a powerful, sleek, and portable gaming laptop that delivers top-notch performance without sacrificing style, the MSI Stealth GS77 should be at the top of your list. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available today. Intel Core i7-12700H, blazing fast performance. At the heart of the MSI Stealth GS77 is the incredibly powerful Intel Core i7-12700H processor. With its high-performance architecture, this 12th Gen CPU offers impressive speeds and multi-core capabilities, clocking in at up to 4.7 GHz with Intel's Turbo Boost technology. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding applications like video editing or 3D rendering, this processor ensures smooth and responsive performance. The i7-12700H offers superior processing power, making this laptop future-proof and capable of handling heavy workloads with ease. GeForce RTX 3060, stunning graphics for gaming and content creation. When it comes to gaming and content creation, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 is the GPU you need. Built on the NVIDIA Ampere architecture, the RTX 3060 delivers stunning graphics and high performance with real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced visuals. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or working on graphic-intensive projects, the RTX 3060 offers smooth gameplay at high settings and exceptional image quality. Experience immersive graphics, vibrant colors, and realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, everything you need for a true gaming experience. 17.3-inch Full HD display, fluid and immersive gaming experience. The MSI Stealth GS77 boasts a 17.3 inches Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring that your gaming experience is as smooth as it is stunning. The high refresh rate means that fast-moving action in games, like shooters or racing titles, will be rendered with ultra-smooth visuals, reducing motion blur and delivering a more responsive experience. Whether you're exploring open-world games or engaging in competitive gaming, the 144Hz refresh rate ensures every frame is crisp, fluid, and lag-free. Combined with vibrant colors and sharp detail, this display brings your games to life, providing an immersive experience that will make you feel like you're right in the action. Plus, with its large 17.3 screen size, you'll enjoy a more expansive viewing area for both work and play. 16GB DDR5 RAM, fast and efficient multitasking. The 16GB DDR5 RAM in the MSI Stealth GS77 ensures that you can handle demanding games and multitasking without any slowdown. DDR5 memory delivers increased speeds and higher bandwidth compared to DDR4, which is essential for handling modern games and productivity tasks. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running resource-intensive software like Photoshop or Premiere Pro, the 16GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking without delays. With the power of DDR5, your laptop will be able to keep up with you no matter what you're doing. 1TB NVMe SSD, lightning-fast storage. The 1TB NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast read and write speeds, meaning that your games, applications, and files load in a fraction of the time compared to traditional hard drives. Not only does this speed up boot times and application launches, but it also provides ample space for your games, videos, photos, and more. The large 1TB storage capacity is ideal for gamers who want to store multiple games and large media files, and the technology ensures you can access them faster than ever. Thunderbolt 4 and USB Type-C, ultimate connectivity. When it comes to connectivity, the MSI Stealth GS77 leaves no stone unturned. Equipped with Thunderbolt 4 and USB Type-C ports, this laptop offers ultra-fast data transfer rates, allowing you to connect to external monitors, storage devices, or even docks at blazing speeds. Whether you're transferring large files or connecting to a high-speed external SSD, Thunderbolt 4 ensures minimal latency and maximum throughput. Additionally, the inclusion of USB Type-C ports ensures that you can easily connect modern peripherals, whether it's for charging, data transfer, or external displays. With these high-speed ports, you'll be able to take full advantage of the latest tech and expand your setup with ease. Sleek CNC machine design, portability meets durability. One of the standout features of the MSI Stealth GS77 is its design. With a CNC machined chassis, this laptop combines premium durability with sleek aesthetics. The design is not only visually appealing but also lightweight and slim, making it easy to carry around for gaming on the go, work, or travel. The aluminum finish gives it a modern, professional look, while still maintaining the strength needed to withstand daily wear and tear. The Stealth GS77 perfectly blends form and function, providing both elegance and durability. Why choose the MSI Stealth GS77 gaming laptop? The MSI Stealth GS77 is the ideal laptop for gamers and power users who need a portable powerhouse. It combines a cutting-edge Intel Core i7-12700H processor, powerful NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics, and lightning-fast 16GB DDR5 RAM with a stunning 17.3 inches 144Hz display. This laptop is not only capable of running the most demanding games but also excels in multitasking, content creation, and other productivity tasks. With its sleek, durable design, Thunderbolt 4 and USB Type-C connectivity, and 1TB SSD, the Stealth GS77 is built to keep up with your ever-evolving needs. Whether you're looking to game, create content, or get work done, this laptop is a reliable companion that can handle it all. Conclusion. In conclusion, the MSI Stealth GS77 gaming laptop is a premium machine that offers unbeatable performance, stunning visuals, and the latest tech all in one sleek, portable package. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, the Stealth GS77 is built to take your experience to the next level. If you're ready to level up your gaming and productivity, don't miss out. Check out the link below for the best price today and bring home the MSI Stealth GS77 gaming laptop.